All right. I'm not going to do much talking in this video, but this is just a video, simple video of showing you how to do buttermilk marinated pork chops. And all you have to do is really just soak them in buttermilk for at least 30 minutes to an hour. And once you soak them that long, season them however you like. Lowry's or even chicken seasoning or just basic salt and pepper. But that buttermilk is going to make a difference in how your pork chops taste. All right, enjoy the video and enjoy the relaxing sounds of pork chop fry. You like the sound of rain? Enjoy the sound of pork chop fry. Try this. Let me know what you think. It's a short video, only 2 minutes, so I'm not going to talk long. Bye-bye. What? Yeah. Hey. I got it where it's gonna be here in Birmingham.